what you feel about this diabetes means management of all these disorders, or what are the causes? Let's come to the causes first.
This is the age group I'm exactly focusing on, because this is the time where we can correct their metabolic activity.
Absolutely.
Once you spoil, once you cross 50, there are so many complications coming. So we have to focus on the disease.
Yeah.
Now at the age like 20 to 40, this is the age
Absolutely.
where we can correct their metabolism, correct their activities, correct their food, and correct their sleep, and get them back on track of health.
Correct.
So Ayurveda focuses on the protecting the health of a healthy person. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam. That's the first purpose. Then the second purpose is aturasya vikara prashamanam cha. So then treat the diseased. First, why not protect the health when you are healthy? Why not protect the health? How can you protect the health of a person? They're following the rules of Ayurveda. Ayurveda says, who is a healthy person? Sammadosha samagdishya samadhatu malakriya prasanna atma indriya manaha swastha ityabadiyate. So the dosha functions, the body's dosha functions should be proper. Dhatus, there are 7 dhatus body is made up of. The functions of dhatus should be working properly. And sama agni, metabolic fire should be proper. When the metabolic fire is proper, your tissue formation will be good and tissue will be healthy. And malakriya, so defecation or the urine excretion or sweating, these are three main malas should get cleared. Once they are having properly going on, and prasanna atma indriya manaha, not only is physical health, prasanna atma, your soul should be happy, your indriya, sensory organs should be happy, manaha should be happy. When these three are happy and contented, then only you are called as Svastha, healthy person.